In this video, I will be addressing all the pertinent questions about the use of the PV or power and video balloon. And so we'll first of all look at how you can connect the PV balloon to an HD camera or camera that has a BNC interface using a terminated network cable. And we'll also address these pertinent questions as to whether or not you can connect a camera that has a BNC interface like this through a PV balloon into a network switch and then have the network switch connected into an NVR. We'll address that issue or that question as well. So stay tuned as we look at the use of the PV or the power and video balloon. The PV balloon or the power and video balloon is sold as a pair, whereby as you purchase it, it comes with these two units. And when you observe, the two units both have Ethernet ports at one end. You can see the Ethernet ports. And then when you turn over to the other side, they come with BNC connection or the video terminal. And then also there is a DC power connector at each end. The second one also comes the same. There's a BNC that is for video connection, and then also there is a DC power connector. But you will notice a slight difference whereby one comes with a male DC power connector and the other comes with a female DC power connector. That's the slight difference when it comes to the two devices that come in the unit. The primary use of this PV balloon is to enable you to transport AHD camera videos using network cables, so that like a terminated network cable like this can be used to transport video and power from an HD or analog camera like this into your digital video recorder or your DVR. So let's look at how you can first of all connect the PV balloon to an HD camera to be able to transport both power and video, that is power to the camera and video to the DVR. Let's look at how that connection is done. When you look at the terminal of a typical HD or analog camera, you realize that they come with the female BNC and then also female DC power connectors. And so when you take also the PV balloon, you realize that one has the female and then also the female DC power connector and then a male BNC. And since the camera comes with a female DC power connector, this device, which is the PV balloon, will definitely have to use the one that comes with the male DC power connector. So this can be plugged into the female DC power connector of the camera, whilst we also interface the BNC connectors together. We lock them up together. So when you do this kind of connection, then this side, which has the Ethernet port, we can then use a terminated network cable and plug into the Ethernet port. And so it means this is a complete connection whereby the network cable will then carry the two signals. There is a video signal here which will be going through the PV balloon cable. At the same time, the power which is supposed to be coming into the camera will also go through the balloon. And so when we use this other side of the PV balloon and plug into the other pair of the balloon, we can plug it up this way. And so at this end, which is supposed to go into a DVR, will be plugged into the DVR. And the power, which is supposed to go to the camera, can then be plugged or can then be fed through maybe a DC adapter like this. So that this is a 12 volt DC adapter, which is the voltage required for a camera. We can plug this up to a socket and this side can then be fed into the PV balloon. That means that as I feed it here, it goes through the PV balloon, comes through the network cable, and then as it enters into this other balloon, the power will then come into the camera through this cable into the camera. Now, when the camera gets powered, it then produces video, which will also travel through the video terminal, go into the balloon, and through the cable, it then comes into this balloon again, and this video is what is supposed to be plugged into a DVR or a digital video recorder to be shown on the DVR. And so that is how the connection is done, and this is the purpose for which the PV balloon is designed. But there is a question that also comes up, whereby I want to also demonstrate. When you connect the PV balloon to the camera like this, whereby you have the video and then the power coming into this balloon or the PV balloon, we realize that this end of the network cable, many ask the question as to whether this end can be plugged into a network switch so that the output of the network switch can be taken into an NVR. That's a question that many ask most of the time. And I want to say that this kind of connection will not work. The reason being that this camera is an analog camera. The kind of video produced from this camera is analog, and it's produced using just two cables. We have a central core and an outer conductor that comes into this, and so it cannot work using a network cable. The video generated here is purely analog, of which we are improvising a device, or the PV balloon is just an improvised device which does not necessarily convert the analog video from the camera. And so this output that is coming here, it is not a digital output. Remember, this device is a passive device. It doesn't convert the analog video into digital. So there is no way you can connect the output of the camera and then the power into a network switch and receive it into a network video recorder. It is not going to work. So please take note of that, and then ensure that the PV balloons should always be used for just analog CCTV camera connections. Thank you so much for your audience.